I'm Erin Harrison, Executive Editor of TMC, and I'm here today with Venkat Uppuluri, Director of Marketing of Connected Media Players for Sigma Designs. Welcome, Venkat.
Thank you for having me.
So there's a new trend in connected media players to use Android as an operating system. So what is Sigma doing in connected media market that's different?
As you know, Android was introduced for handheld devices. So most of the initial work was done on Android as an operating system for small screens like handhelds. Sigma has done extensive amount of work in porting Android on our media processors and making it available to the large screen. What that entails is, putting an output which is 1080p for the current TVs. So there's a lot of work entailed in terms of making the media player work with our hardware acceleration. That's a significant amount of work in making Android available for connected media players so that you can scale the screen to a 1080p large screen. So there are several other things we do in integrating solutions within Sigma's platform which go beyond just a media player, which is for a UI and a playback of local content or online content. So we do a lot other integration.
Okay, and are you doing anything in terms of managing the home controlled systems?
Absolutely, that's a great question. We have been working very much in that space with our Z-Wave technology. Sigma acquired a company called Zensys a few years back, which has the Z-Wave technology. Our connected media player platform integrates the Z-Wave technology to do home control in terms of light switches, thermostats, energy appliances, so that you can control them and use them at appropriate times. You can have significant energy savings by doing that. You might have seen a commercial on the iPhone which says, "Honey, did you switch off the light switch?"
Sure.
And you hit a button and it switches off your lights. And that's how it works. The connected media player in the home takes that information and sends it to the devices that turn off the lights. So there's a significant amount of work. Integrating it into Android makes it available to a whole set of software partners who can develop applications and make them available to a large set of customers. So there's significant benefits of having Android as an OS, and also in terms of integrating our technologies to leverage Android as an OS in the connected players.
Okay, and what are some of the energy savings associated with this?
So I'll give you an example of a typical situation like you do your laundry now, and you typically do it in the daytime probably. You can set the laundry up where it automatically triggers and does the laundry in the evening and not at a time when your energy bills are typically targeted to be very high. Through the day, your per unit consumption for energy is very high. In the evening or in the night, it's very low. So you can use that time by programming your systems, and it's a touch of a button.
Why is that though? Why is it more expensive during the
Because
day
that's
versus
when
the
most
night?
people want to consume energy.
Sure.
For your, all the office community or the work community uses the air conditioners or heating systems in the day. In the night, they shut them off.
Right.
So there's more energy available in the evening. So, your gas companies typically subsidize your energy bills in the evening.
Sense.
So you can do that. You can program. There are also a lot of things like you can turn off completely your TVs by using such switches. Typically, you put TVs in standby along with your other devices. You can program your TVs to go completely off and you can save further. You can do that at the touch of a button. When you switch off your player, your Blu-ray player, it'll turn off your TV and completely shut it off by programming them into a button. And all of this is today available in terms of easy programmable interfaces. So that's what we are doing, and it's very exciting. You can come over to our and watch a demonstration in our suite. It shows very good such a scenario. You can turn off the TV, pull down the blinds or pull up the blinds or pull down the blinds as you start the movie. So there's a whole bunch of programming that happens, but with one touch, you can do all of that when you watch a movie.
Okay, exciting. And before we wrap up, I understand that Sigma is planning to roll out new processors for the connected Blu-ray market, which sounds pretty exciting. Tell us about that.
Yes, absolutely. We are very excited to announce very shortly some new products. Joe will talk about it, which integrates our post-processing technology called VXP. We acquired this technology from a company called Genome a few years back, and what it does is it reduces the noise and does scaling, deinterlacing, which really enhances the picture quality for our Blu-ray players. In most Blu-ray players, you have excellent video, but by adding this technology, you make them extremely good for the viewer experience. Very different from our competitors who just do basic decoding. This is very much required in these high-end products because there's a lot of content that is coming in and there is a lot of post-processing that needs to happen. So we are very excited about it, and Joe will talk more about the VXP with you.
Okay, great. Well, I look forward to that, and thanks for joining me, Venkat.
Thank you for having me.
I've been speaking with Venkat Uppuluri, Director of Marketing for Connected Media Players of Sigma Designs. I'm Erin Harrison, Executive Editor of TMC. Thanks for watching.